Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use a collagen hair mask. First, ensure your hair is clean by washing it with your favorite shampoo. This removes any product buildup, allowing the mask to penetrate effectively. After washing, gently towel dry your hair until it's damp, not soaking wet. Finally, use a wide-tooth comb to carefully detangle your hair, preparing it for the mask application. This initial preparation is key for optimal results. Now that your hair is prepped, it's time for application. Divide your damp hair into several manageable sections. This ensures you can apply the mask evenly to every strand. Take a generous amount of the collagen mask and apply it thoroughly from your roots all the way to your ends. Make sure to really work the product into your hair, paying extra attention to any areas that feel particularly dry or damaged. Even coverage is crucial here. Once applied, let the collagen hair mask work its magic. Typically, you'll want to leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow for deep conditioning. You can even wrap your hair in a warm towel for enhanced penetration. After the processing time, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water. Continue rinsing until your hair feels completely clean and free of any product residue. Remember, avoid shampooing right after to maintain the benefits. After rinsing, gently blot your hair dry with a soft towel. You can then proceed to style your hair as you normally would, whether air drying or using heat tools. You'll notice your hair feels incredibly soft, looks shinier, and has improved strength and elasticity. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. We hope this guide helps you achieve beautiful, healthy hair.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.